Hi, my name is Boaz, and I will give you a lesson of how to build your own metal power pyramid. A power pyramid is a metal construction that focuses earth energy into the sky, or actually to the top of the pyramid. It has as you can see, a square bottom or base, 4 triangles that makes the pyramid. Shell building, you will of course need a welding machine, a disc, sand, and 8 metal poles. Have the tubes cut for you where you buy the metal in 45 degrees angles, here and here. At the end they should be the same length, although we will need to shorten at least 2 of them while you're working. Okay, you have the 8 metal tubes. They are cut in 45 degree angles. What you do now is you fill 4 of them with sand or earth. If it's a little bit humid, it will stay inside, and you weld the 4 of them to make the base square. You can see it here. Of course, you need to do small welding picks before to make sure that the square is 90 degrees in each corner. Before you make the complete welding line, you need to close, of course, the whole line, otherwise the sand would spill out. After you've welded the base, you take those 4 tubes, you fill them with sand, and you block both ends, so the sand won't spill when you're working. After you've done that, you might want to polish the metal so it looks nice. If you don't do it at this stage, it will be hard to reach in some corners. With the sand inside, you take 2 pipes with a 45 degrees angle and you weld them together. They are filled with sand, they are blocked, and you weld them together and you have a 90 degrees angle. You use the disc in each end to form a shape that will get inside here and will fit nice in each corner. And you weld it with 2 small picks just to make it stand. After you've done that, you take the last 2 metal tubes, you make them fit in this corner and up here. Make it that you will have to cut a little bit because it will be too long, and you fit it here that it's not too high, but will fit with the same angle as those 2 that you've welded before in 90 degrees. Also use small picks so you can adjust it correctly, and when it's all set and looks very nice, you can weld the whole thing. Don't lose any cracks, don't leave any cracks, otherwise the sand of course will spill. After you've done the whole thing, you should polish it to make it look nice. You can use some varnish to keep the metal polished and clean. Now, how would you know if it works? The simplest method, of course, is if you can see energy. You will see, depends on the quality of your pyramid, there should be a sphere, quite visible sphere of energy here, with a lot of lines of energy going like that. Some might feel heat. There are other methods to check if it's working correctly, but of course the best is if you can see it and you know. I've built quite a few until I've had the energy shape, but of course my welding got better and the angles got more correct, and the sand inside is important. Now, don't ask me what it's good for, just try it, enjoy it, play with it, and tell us all what you found. Good luck.